Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Um, and thanks for your patience. At this stage, it's looking like I'll be back on Thursday this week. Now, our topic, pardon me, one of the topics that I would like to cover is how to compare two different groups. Usually, when we compare two different groups using data analysis, we would like to know if one group is larger than the other. So I'm going to start with baby steps. And funny enough, one of the first data sets we'll look at is babies rather, from NZ Grapher. So follow this video, chuck in your headphones, and feel free to bring your headphones in the next lesson and use it, please. The relievers have been informed that you are allowed to use headphones to watch video tutorials only. Just note at what I'm doing and feel free to pause the video and watch over parts again. Okay, so here we go. Let's say someone would like to know, here's a data set. I've told you this data set is from the States. We would like to see if mothers who smoke give birth to babies who have maybe lower or larger weights as compared to mothers who do not smoke. So here's one way we could do it, okay? We go click on graph type, click on dot plot and whisker. You need a numerical value. So what we would like to compare is we'd like to see the birth weight, okay, of the baby. And we would like to split them by mother's smoking status. So this is what we call a dot plot. Now to tidy up your dot plot, scroll down here. I think there's an option to stack dots, which makes it a bit neater. There we go. So we can see, well, I can't make a call, I cannot, when I see this thing, the dot plot rather, decide if babies born to mothers who smoke are lower in weight or babies born to mothers who do not smoke are larger in weight, or even vice versa. I don't know. So one of the things we do is we do some analysis. What we try to do is do a box and whisker graph. I usually tend to leave my dot plot there and then do a high box plot, but you can always just go directly to box plot. And one way to get rid of the dots is make the transparency 0, which is to the far right. Yeah, and that gives you a box plot. Okay, and you kind of start comparing things from here. So just to show you, if I did not select that, and if I went to a high box plot, here's what I would get, okay? So one of the lovely things Enzigrapher does is provides you summaries. Now my videos may have a time limit of 5 minutes. So if it runs out, I'll call this tutorial 1 and 2 and so on. So you have to watch every tutorial and you have to finish your Google document, which is going to be posted Tuesday morning. It'll be a 2-day working document, Tuesday and Wednesday, so it should be submitted by Friday to me, okay? In your graph title, very quickly, you can say box and whisker plot of babies. Something simple is like that is enough. I could have added weight in grams though. We will talk about these things, and I'm just going to pause my video. Yeah, so I hope you made a point of how to get the box and whisker plot rather. What I will talk to you about in the next video tutorial is these number summaries and what do they mean, okay? So I'll stop this one here.